how I look.
Nice and warm.
The natural world is filled with sound.
Looked at the clock. I mean, felt rested. I was like, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I was like, well, maybe I will have breakfast at 7.
I think I fell asleep maybe around 10 o'clock.
Yeah. An app on my phone.
Oh, okay.
And,
Did it work?
Super slow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Super slow.
He came around on another ship, you know, he stayed with it, and
Wow.
I couldn't believe him. It's an interesting thing, you know.
Yeah, that sounds.
If you said if you're in the cold, see something like that. There's that sun. That's a nice picture of a road here.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, it is. Good morning. How you doing? All right.
Okay. That looks a little good. Thank you.
Je mag nooit van je leven afgaan.
Mooi, hè?
Toch, pap?
Yep.
Oh, you saw it?
It's just a dirt road.
Oh.
Yeah, it's back down there.
Okay.
I wasn't sure if you were going to hit it on the way back or what.
Okay, that's fine. So we'll hit Wild Rose. You know how to get there?
You got to go back.
Well, it's telling me I can go straight.
bet you that, I wonder if it's washed out up here. So we'll go up here, up around the corner, we'll see if it's washed out. And if we can't make it, then we turned around. So that goes to Trona, right? Behind us.
How far away is Trona?
It's a little ways away because you got to get up and over those hills, right? But if you go, there's a dirt road down this way a little bit, and way over there is Ballarat. That's where Ballarat is, and there's some dirt roads that take you up and over these mountains right here that are it's actually down a little ways. Ballarat's probably that direction, and that's where I was telling you about the Parker Ranch and all that shit.
Yeah.
But we'll go and see. If it's blocked like this on the other side, we can get around it too. And I'll show you where we camped.
All right.
I camped up here at 2 different places. We camped up in the hills. We found a little dirt road, and we went up this dirt road up in the hills, and there was an old, we found out later on, it was like the supervisor of the park rangers. It was his cabin that they had torn down, and the pad was still up there, and a chimney and everything. And we ended up camping up there, and that beautiful views, looking out over the whole we gonna stop by. We won't be able to see it, I don't think, from the road. It's because you got to take a dirt road and go up into the hills over there. Okay. But this is that direction as well. So
hey, I looked for that road again. I didn't see no road.
Yeah, I pointed it out to you, and then when I looked at my mirror to see if you were looking to the left. Because I go over here, I pointed to it. Right?
And it's just because he said it's an obvious road. Is it obvious road?
If you're looking for it, it is. Oh. Yeah. It's just, but it's a small road. It's a small road, and it runs as we were coming down the hill, right before we got to the where it turned brown.
Yeah.
The sand. It was right there to the right, and so I went like this, and I looked at my mirror, and you were looking over here. So. Up to you if you want to see what's going on. I've never seen the hard gate here before.
Yeah, let's go around it.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to walk mine though.
Okay. I'm gonna be paddling. So this is the road. It had a road closed sign on it when I came here the first time I camped up here, and it was fine. It was a little Like, it was like this when I came here before, but then once you get up a little ways, it's just because we're down in the valley, the water runs through here, then it got better. So I figured we'd run through this. The question is, this guy right here, is he gonna sweat us?
Let me adjust my camera.
On your GPS, does it show you Wild Rose still?
Yeah.
How far does it say?
It's not telling me because the road is closed, so it's not telling. I don't know because, you know, see how it says a half a mile, but
Wow.
maybe it's a half a mile from that start.
Oh, got it. Even if it was, it doesn't look like it's that far. You know? Oh yeah. Oh, charcoal.
So basically, we trying to reach this campground, Wild Rose, that I heard about. I just want to put eyes on it. But the road is closed, it's washed out. So we're trying to come up the road. But we went beyond the road closed sign and we were going. I think we were about a mile away from the campground, but we came across the tractor guy working. So we didn't want to, trying to give him his respect, get off the bikes and walk up to him instead of riding up to him. But anyway, Mike is talking to him and to see if we can go, if it's cool to go, if the road is okay, because we just went over this little sketchy spot right here. And don't look like nothing on camera, but it's game time when you get to it. Okay, he's back on his bike.
said there's 2 more locked gates, and it's completely locked out. And then we can't make it through that.
All right.
So,
All right, so we head back down
yeah. He said we have to go back down that way, and then,
the same way we was coming.
yeah. And I'm just doing it because I acted like I was ignorant and didn't know. So he sees me telling you we got to go back.
Okay. Did he seem cool though?
Yeah, he was pissed.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
He goes, yeah, those 2 gates that you went around.
Ah, yeah, you already know that tone.
Yeah, so he said it's about 10 miles up on the 190.
Okay.
And then the kilns and I thought this was Immigrant. This is something else. This is like Lower Canyon Road. Up there is Immigrant Canyon Road, and it comes in that way.
Okay.
I didn't see this. I didn't see all that the last time I was here.
Alright.
chips. I don't know.
And I'll get you the mayo, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And I looked at my mirror, and you were looking over here. And I looked at my mirror, and you were looking over here. We're looking over here. Here.
today was quiet.
Yeah.
I mean, we certainly had some come through, but not very exciting. Like Monday is typically
What's up, bud? How you doing?
good. Good to see you.
Got a nice little settlement here. How you doing?
Good.
CJ.
Rich.
There you go. Make gold, huh?
Kind of like leapfrog travel. So, you know, it's just depends really on weather. Like, you know, if it starts getting too warm here, then we'll, you know, jump somewhere else.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know? So it just kind of depends.
Sounds like a great life to me.
It's
Just doing what you want,
Yeah,
go where
it's-
you want,
it's pretty good.
stay as long as you want, and then leave when you don't like it no more. Yeah. If you get bad neighbors, you can move.
Right. Right. True.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, safe travels.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Good.
He was showing out on that part. He used his training, he cheating. He uses he a motorcycle instructor, so he activated his what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but he was cheating right there because he turned on the skills, that little bend on that tent. chair waiting on me right there with that view.
So then I pull up and talk to the guy on the bulldozer, and he's like, and I'm trying to be really nice and friendly. Like I stop short of the bulldozer and walk up to him. I don't want to, you know.
Yeah, they'll get upset with you.
Right.
Technically, you're not even supposed to be there, so yeah.
Yeah, and he let me know that.
Yeah, did he?
First thing, I'm like, he stops the bulldozer. I know he was thinking. He kind of, because he had this look on his face like, motherfucker.
He's angry.
Right. So he stops the bulldozer because I walk up and, how you doing? Hi.
Yeah.
Right. He goes, yeah, you went past 2 gates.
Yeah.
He goes, well, you went past 2 gates again.
Yeah.
Like,
What does it take?
like,
to
hey,
stop
buddy,
you?
you know.
Yeah.
And of course I go, well, can we go that way?
Yeah.
I go, well, is the road like this? He goes, yeah, it's worse, and there's 2 more gates. I go, well, how can we get up there? Well, then you need to go all the way back around and go back this way and go back up that way. And I'm like, so there's no way we can get up this way.
One place got white
And he's
road
one
where
guy.
they
It was really, I mean, it's beautiful.
This is where we camped. Panamint Valley. Thank you.